In this video, I'm going to talk about Power Automate settings. Now, Power Automate settings is available in make.powerautomate.com interface. Now, what all things you can configure using Power Automate setting is the display language, the regional format, and enabling the experimental features. So, display language is basically the language of the interface through which the make.powerautomate.com page displays. So, currently, as you see over here, it's English is selected, but you can select different languages, and based on that, based on the country which uses that languages, you can configure into the regional format. Now, if you want to configure any features which Microsoft is currently working on, which is in either in a preview state or which is not yet made generally available, then if you turn this on, then you can leverage those features within Microsoft Power Automate interface. Now, let's jump into the URL make.powerautomate.com. So I'm in one of the environments. Now, if you see over here, if you want to configure the Power Automate setting, you can click on the clock icon over here. So if you click on settings, then you can click on view all Power Automate settings. Now, once you do that, you can see the display languages and the regional format. So for me, the language is English and the regional format is Australia, because this will depend on how your date is formatted, how your currency is formatted, those sort of things. Now, if I select, say, United States, then the date format would be in the form of MMDDYY. And for if English it's Australia, then it's DDMMYYY. And similarly, we can select the various other countries which follows that particular language, say Canada English, India, Ireland, Malaysia, New Zealand, Singapore, South Africa, UK, and US. Now, if try selecting something else, like say if I start selecting German, so Deutsch, okay, so you can say it's like you see three different countries which uses that particular display language. So and if I change that, say take for example, if I save this, okay, then the page will refresh and the entire language format will be changed to say German, okay, over here. Now, again, if you want to revert back, you can go ahead and then go into specific link, and then you can revert back to say English. Okay, and let me go back to Australia. Make sure that if you know that specific language, then only make those changes, because then it will be very difficult to revert back to the original state until unless you know exactly where to click in the interface to revert back to the original settings. So as you see over here, uh, this is how you revert back. Now again, going back into the setting, these are the experimental features. Now I have turned it on. If you turn it on, then you will be able to leverage all the new Power Automate features, which is available either within the interface whereby you are authoring the flow, or in the feature set, which is widely available within the make.powerautomate.com website. Now, some of the features which I can show you is just one example. I can show you what do I mean by that. Say if I select say one instant cloud flow and create this flow, then within this authoring interface, I will be able to see all the latest features. Okay. So if I click on add an action, then now this, as this is the new interface, then you might see a whole bunch of different options available. But like when you say select any control, say example, say Dataverse, okay, and here you can see all different functionality. Now there are not much over here, but you can make use of all those different functionality, like if you want to view the formula bar, or if you want to view the dynamic content. So all those interfaces, if there are any changes which is being made by Microsoft and which is not yet generally available, those all things you can leverage using those settings. So that's it, folks. This is all about Power Automate setting. There are few settings just for displaying languages, language format, and the turning on and off the experimental features. But I'm pretty much sure that there might be some sort of a new page within Microsoft Power Automate in the near future, which will have much more settings compared to what it is existent now. Thanks for watching.